Good morning, friends. Are you listening to me? Are you watching? Are you writing? So, now I say 3 sentences. Are you writing? Are you listening or watching? So, listening, watching, and writing. These 3 words, they are saying and doing something. So, all the saying and doing words are known as verb. So, today we are going to discuss verb. Verb is an important part of speech. It is an important part of speech. So, verbs are classified into 2 categories. One is transitive verb and another one is intransitive verb. So, what is a transitive verb and what is an intransitive verb? So, here the child flies a kite, birds fly in the sky. So, here I have written 2 verbs, flies, fly. One is transitive and another one is intransitive. So, which one is transitive here and which one is intransitive? Transitive means those verbs which require an object to complete the sense of the sentence. Means how? The child flies a kite. If I write here, I will cut this one. The child flies. What? The question comes always what? When the question comes what, then it is known as the transitive verb. Or intransitive verb also require an object to complete the sense of the sentence. So, the child flies a kite. Here flies is an transitive verb. And what is an intransitive verb? Intransitive verbs are those verbs which does not require any object to complete the sense of the sentence. How? Birds fly in the sky. So, I'll cut here in the sky. So, we don't require these words to make the sentence complete because birds fly and we know better that birds fly in the sky only, not in the pond. So, birds fly itself completes its sense. So, when the verbs do not require any object to complete the sense of the sentence, then this is known as the intransitive verbs. Here, transitive verbs, they have the 2 objects also. 2 objects. And the 2 objects are, one is direct object and another one indirect object. So, what is direct object and what is indirect object? Just I'll give one example. Well, my father gave me a book. My father gave me a book. Here, 2 objects are there. What is that? Guess. One is gave, is the verb, and me is object, and a book is also an object. So this verb requires two objects. One is me and another one is a book. So direct objects means those objects when we deals with the things. And indirect objects are those objects when we deal with the persons. So in this sentence, which is the direct object? Direct object is a book. And which is the indirect object? Me is the indirect object. So, have you got the idea about the transitive verb? So, now we discuss intransitive verb. Honey tastes. Honey tastes sweet. So, honey tastes sweet. This is what? It is an intransitive verb. But we have used here sweet. So, just think, what is sweet? He became a doctor. The sky appears dark. He feels pleased. So I have written here 4 sentences. One is honey tastes sweet. He became a doctor. The sky appears dark. He feels pleased. So these all are intransitive verbs. So some words, note. Some words they always use as the intransitive verb, like come, go, like fall, like die, like slip. These words always used as an intransitive verbs. Come, go, fall, die and slip. Always used as an intransitive verbs. So here I have written these words like honey tastes sweet. He became a doctor. The sky appears dark. He feels pleased. So these all are intransitive verbs. Another kind of verb that is known as verbs of incomplete predication. So what is verbs of incomplete predication? Just we will take the same example. Honey tastes sweet. So here honey tastes sweet. So anyhow we need sweet. Sweet is not an object. It is not an object. But honey tastes means what? We are not getting any complete sense here. So anyhow we have to use sweet. Honey tastes sweet. But the child sleeps. The child sleeps. So here we do not require any word to complete the sentence. So here the child sleeps. The verb itself complete the sense of the sentence. So then what is this suit? This suit is known as the complement. If an intransitive verb complete the sense of the sentence without the help of any word, then that is known as verbs of complete predication. But if the verb requires any other word to complete the sense of the sentence, then it is known as verbs of incomplete predication. So, like that was verbs of incomplete predication. So, we can join here a noun. We can join here the other form of the word. Or we can join here adjective. The sky appears dark. Appears dark. The child seems pleased. So here the sky appears. What the sky appears? Dark. So dark is what? Is a complement. The same way, the child seems pleased. Seems, what seems? Pleased. So dark is what? An adjective. Pleased is what? Other form of the verb. Or we can say the past participle form of the verb. He became a doctor. He became a doctor. So, he became what? A doctor. But a doctor is not an object. It is a complement. So, what? A doctor is the noun. So, when intransitive verbs, they require an object or the other form of the verb or a noun to complete the sense of the sentence. That kind of intransitive verbs, they are known as verbs of incomplete predication. So here we got three verbs, that is appear, that is seen, and that is speaking. So these all are known as verbs of incomplete predication. So complement. There are two types of complement. One is subjective complement and another one is objective complement. Yes, I said that the verbs of incomplete predication, they require the complement to complete the sense of the sentence. So, I'll go with two examples. One is the farmer seems tired. And the policeman found him guilty. So subjective complements are those complements which are used after the verb to tell about or to refer the subject. So here tired refers to the farmer. So tired is known as an subjective complement. And what is objective complement? As you know, found is what? Found is a transitive verb. So when the object is used after the transitive verb to refer to the object, then it is known as the objective complement. So guilty is what? It is an objective complement. I hope you have understood this, the kinds of verbs. So next class we are going to discuss the types of verbs and modals. From this side, Padmini. Thank you.